Welcome back to the Easy Engineering by Neha Sayed. In this video, we are going to see theory of computation, mostly known as an talk. So, as we are going to study theory of computation, so what is an computation? It is a task performed by the machines. So, what can be the machines? It can be the computers, or even it can be the calculators. So, we can see that we are going to mathematically modeling these machines, and then actually we are going to study the theory of it. So simply we can say that it is a branch of science that is actually going to deals with the how efficiently problems can be solved on the model of computation using some kind of algorithm. Okay, we are going to study what are the limitations or what are the problems of machine, and even we are going to study what are the capabilities of the machine. Some of the basic terminologies or some kind of definition you should know before dealing with the talk subject. Okay, so what are the some basic terminology? First is a symbol. Symbol is nothing but a basic building block of theory of computation, block of talk. Okay, so symbol of characters, it can be any letters, numbers, or anything, like for example letters can be A and B, numbers can be zeros and one, and it can be anything. It can be like the pictures, or it can be a special characters, plus, ampersand sign, or even percentage sign, whatever special characters are there. Next is an alphabet. Alphabet is nothing but a collection of symbols, and we can say that it is a set of characters. It is a finite non-empty set of symbol. It is a set of character and a finite non-empty set of symbol. Okay, and it is a collection of symbols. We will take example. It is a set of alphabet, so it is a collection of symbol, like it can be AB, set of AB, set of 0 1, or even 0 1 till 9, or even it can have a set of special characters like plus, ampersand, percentage. It can be the set of any symbols. Okay, so these are the some examples for the alphabet. It is a set of special characters. Now next terminology or the next definition is an language. Before seeing the language, we will see what is an string. It is very important, as most of the time we are going to use string. So string, what is an string? String is nothing but it is a sequence of symbols. Okay, it is a sequence of symbols are nothing but the alphabets. So we'll see example. It can be AB, or even it can be AA, AB, BC, and it can be the combination of any symbol. Okay, we'll take some kind of example, so you will be more clear. How many string possible for the length 2? See, they have given the length 2, and they have given the input A and B. They have already given the input A and B. As length is 2, we'll draw two lines and we'll try all the permutation for the set of input A and B. It would be AA, AB, BA and BB. So what are the possible number of strings? It would be 4. So there are 4 possible strings for the length 2, for the alphabet 2. Okay. Similarly, we'll see for the how many strings are possible for the length n for the input A and B. Okay, for the input A and B. So we'll start. As it is an n length, I have taken n lines, and the set of possible inputs for each line is AB, AB, set of AB, as the input is AB. We don't know the exact because it is an n. So we can say easily it is 2 into 2 into n. So we can say that the number of possible combinations will be 2 raised to n. Okay. Now we will see what is an language. Language is very important, and it is denoted by the L. Language is nothing but a collection of string. Now we will see some examples so you can understand it clearly. We'll take an input a b. For all the examples we are going to take the input a b. So for a set of all string of length 2, as you can see, for this language the length of string is 2. In each of the set you can see it is only having the length 2. Now we will see for the length 3. So what would be the input, what would be the language for the input a b? So we will start all the permutations. It would be a b, it would be a b a, similarly a b b, b a a, b a b, b b b, sorry b b a, and last would be b b b. So this is the set. As you can see, it is all of them are having length 3. Similarly, set of all strings starts with an a. What would be the possible language? Language would be starting with a. Remember that a b, a triple a b. So all you can see, they all are starting with an a. So on. So as you can see, all are starting with an a. So simply you can easily find out the language if you know the input, and they are given the how many length are, what is the length for that particular string. Next terminology or next definition that you should know is an empty string, and it is denoted by epsilon. It is a string with zero occurrence of symbol, means there is no symbol. Okay, means there is no input, there is an zero occurrence, and it is denoted by epsilon, means it is a set of empty set, or easily we can say that it is an empty string. Okay, next is an length of string, and it is denoted by mod of w. It is nothing but a number of symbol in a string or any word. Simply take an example. If for example w is an a string, already given string, just what we have to do, we have to just count out the number of. Mod of w would be 6. It is a number of string and it is 6. Okay, now the next thing that we should know is an concatenation of string. Concatenation nothing but means a joining of any two or more string. For example, S is A B B A and R is some set C D C D C. Okay, so concatenation or joining of two string would be A B B A followed by the R, that is C D C D C. Just what we have done, we have joined the two set S and R. So next is a power of alphabet, means exponential, that we are going to see. For any input a and b, for example, power of 0 would be obviously length is, there is no string, means there is an empty string, length would be 0. The string is empty. Next that we are going to see, power is 1. So obviously it is 1, means obviously the length of the string would be 1, exactly 1. So as you can see, both the set a and a single b is in, length is already as you can see, a length is just 1. Now for the power of 2, there would be obviously two alphabets, means combination of a b and a b. I have written all this combination. As you can see, there is power only, the length of that particular string is just 2, as they have mentioned. Next is the length of 3. So simply as you can see, the length should be 3. A B B. So these are the all the strings that is having the length exactly 3, as you can see. Okay, so these are all the basic terminologies that are very useful using while we are going to study the talk subject. So I hope you understand